Welcome to the Space Olympics, where athletes from across the galaxy compete in the ultimate test of strength, speed, and skill. Imagine a world beyond gravity, pushing human potential to the stars. This is the Space Olympics. The games begin with a dazzling display of interstellar pride. Athletes from Earth, Mars, Europa, and beyond march into the arena, each proudly representing their home planet. The Space Olympics celebrates unity across the stars, where differences are put aside for friendly competition. Now let's take a look at some of the most thrilling and exciting events of the Space Olympics. First up, Zero-G Gymnastics. Without gravity, athletes perform breathtaking flips and spins, defying physics. Grace and precision are key as they maneuver through three-dimensional space with incredible control. Next, the Meteorite Hurdles. Competitors dash across floating asteroids, leaping with jet-assisted boots. It's a race against time and treacherous terrain. For the strong and fearless, there's cosmic wrestling. In zero gravity, opponents use strength and strategy to pin their opponent to a magnetic surface, all while floating freely in space. The Space Olympics isn't just about athletic prowess, it's a showcase for cutting-edge technology. From adaptive spacesuits that enhance performance to anti-gravity arenas that redefine sport, the games fuse human ingenuity with extraterrestrial wonders. Yet these advancements bring new challenges. Athletes must overcome the physical and mental demands of space competition. And now the pinnacle of the Space Olympics, the Galactic Relay. Teams from across the galaxy navigate a course spanning entire solar systems. From asteroid belts to slingshotting around moons, this event tests speed, teamwork, and strategy. The Galactic Relay symbolizes unity and cooperation. As the games draw to a close, one thing is certain: the Space Olympics is more than just a competition. It's a glimpse into the future of humanity, where sports and exploration merge to inspire new generations. The next frontier of sports awaits. Who will rise to the challenge?